Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Fortnite on your iPhone or iOS. So make sure to follow the step-by-step process, and at the end of the video you will be able to do it. So first of all, open your App Store, and once you're in the App Store just go to the search section, and once I search here Fortnite, so I'll be able to see the Fortnite here. And as you can see, like, here is the Fortnite. If I want to download it, I can easily download it from this section. And let's say that you're not able to find the Fortnite through this method, so what you can do is just go back, and from here just click on the upper right corner, like your profile icon. And once you click here, just click on your profile or your Apple ID. And once you click here, just make sure to log in, like enter your password. It will take a few seconds to load, and will ask you to enter the password. So make sure to enter the password of your Apple ID and just sign in. And once you sign in, it will again take a few seconds to load. And what we need to do is just change our region to some else. Like, as you can see, my country region is United States. And let's say that you have any other region or any other country. So what you can do is just change your region to United States or Australia or Germany. From here, just search the region. As you can see, like, I have selected the United States. So just choose your region, enter rest of the details, like easily change your region, and click on done. And once done, just restart your App Store. And once you restart your App Store, just make sure to open it again, search here Fortnite. And once you search your Fortnite, you will be easily able to download the Fortnite game into your iPhone or iOS. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.